For many embroidery shops, 80% of their work comes from perhaps 20% of their customers, and therefore the same designs are repeated regularly. For those who use the Embroidery Connect device, saving these regularly used files in the memory of the device is a preferred option for them. In this video, I'd like to cover two topics: batch converting files and batch saving to the Embroidery Connect device. After setting up your devices, in this case I have two attached to my system, one for a Tajima machine and the other for a Baraden. Baraden users who use U files will have already set up a .fdr subfolder on the device. However, the folder is not created until a file has been saved, so let's do that now to create the folder. You'll see why shortly. Inspecting the device from the file manager, you can now see the folder has been created and the star design saved to it. The Tajima machines save their files to a root folder, so there is no need to set up a separate folder for this. I've renamed the devices to make it easier to identify them. Okay, now to the batch convert feature in the Embroidery Studio library. I'll select all the files in this folder, 114 of them, and choose the convert icon. At this stage, I could choose to convert one file type at a time and save to respective folders. In this case, I'll convert both file types and save to a common folder. Okay, now the files have been saved to your folder. Sort them by file type and select the DST files. Copy and paste them to the Tajima device. And repeat and save the U files to the .fdr folder on the other device. Now you're free to move the devices to your respective embroidery machines where they can be accessed by the machine operators. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped.